Hi guys, this is how to reset service reminder of Hyundai i30 1.6 turbo. First is ignition on. There's a warning lights, a warning service. First is just press this one to settings, and then this button down, see, and then press the center, okay, and then down, reset, yes. Already reset. 10,000 kilometers, 1 year. Okay, all goods. Thank you. Please subscribe and like for more videos, and I hope that this video will help you. Thank you.